In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple chats on ChatGPT. We'll use a simple Chrome extension to speed things up. So if you've got a long list of old conversations and want to clean house quickly, this will help. As always with third-party tools, use your judgment and install only from trusted sources. Start by opening a new tab in Chrome. In the search bar, type ChatGPT Bulk Delete extension. In the results, look for the listing called ChatGPT Bulk Delete Chrome Web Store and click it. This takes you to the official extension page. On that page, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. You should see a brief confirmation in your browser that the extension has been added. Now head back to the ChatGPT website in your browser. Open your extensions menu in Chrome and select ChatGPT Bulk Delete from the list. When you click it, a small panel will appear on your screen. Inside that panel, choose the option labeled Add Checkboxes. You'll notice small checkboxes appear next to your conversation list on the left side of ChatGPT. That's how you'll choose which chats to remove. Go through your chat list and click the checkboxes next to every conversation you want to delete. Take a moment to review your selections, especially if you have important threads you want to keep. Remember, once a chat is deleted, you won't be able to recover it in the app, so it's worth double-checking before moving on. If you accidentally mark the wrong chat, just uncheck it before proceeding. When you're happy with your selection, return to the extension panel and click Bulk Delete. The extension will begin deleting the selected chats one by one. During this process, your chat list will update as each conversation is removed. Depending on how many you selected and your internet connection, this may take a little time, so be patient and let it finish. Try not to navigate away from the page until the process completes. Once the extension is done, take a look at your chat sidebar. You should see that all the conversations you checked have been removed, leaving your list cleaner and easier to manage. If you missed any, you can repeat the process and run another bulk delete. That's it, a quick and efficient way to delete multiple chats on ChatGPT using a Chrome extension. If you found this helpful, keep your extensions up to date and always review what you're installing from the Chrome Web Store for the best and safest experience. By the way, if you want to delete all your chats at once without downloading an extension, just press on your profile icon and select Settings. Press on Data Controls and press on Delete All from the Delete All Chats option. And that's it, guys. That's how to delete multiple chats on ChatGPT. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.